check for suspension damage now. We'll be back. Hey! We got another car!
Like the engine?
You didn't say anything about it.
I don't really like or dislike it. Do you know if this thing's naturally aspirated or turbo? I think it's naturally aspirated.
It feels like NA.
Yeah,
sure. It's almost a little too touchy. In Sport Plus.
So, in honor of No Chop November, if you get one of these, do not cut your fucking mufflers off. It sounds like shit, please.
Do people do that for these newer Lexuses? I thought that was only an Infinity gig thing.
These sound exactly like the Infinities with them chopped off.
Oh no. I was gonna say it sounds like it with the muffler on.
In the last week, I've chopped off the mufflers on 4 separate ones.
Oh, 4 separate Lexuses?
4 separate Lexus ISs.
Huh. Seems like a trend going on. I was like, that's a very specific thing for you to ask not to do.
Yeah, it just keeps happening and it's pissing me off. Because they all get the same exact tips. Like the chrome blue flame ones.
Oh, yeah. Yep. I saw a few of them coming up here.
Yeah.
Definitely not as engaging as the Miata.
Yeah.
Oh, shocker.
I mean, really?
Which is like a no shit Sherlock statement. It's quiet enough, comfortable enough, fast enough.
Mm-hmm.
Does what I want enough.
Yeah. Yeah.
So now how do you feel about that? What any differences with the?
It's hard because I'm coming from a really different position of A, just enjoying the canyons because it's been a while.
Yeah.
B, not driving a lot of newer cars. I mean, my reference for a newer car is a 2009 Honda Civic Hybrid.
Well, what about
Which honestly has better steering feel. But, I mean, to me, it's like this sexy newer car that sounds nice enough. It has paddle shifters, which, you know, if I don't overlap on the brakes, it does what I want. And it feels like I'm driving, you know, like a mini supercar or something. Because all new cars feel like supercars to me.
Yeah.
And it's quiet. I really like it. But I know that I need to drive other new cars before I make a decision like purchasing something like this.
Well, you did just drive the BMW M4. How would you compare this to that? It was a 2015 M4 reference.
Better steering feel, although I feel like that doesn't make a big difference to me in how much I enjoy it. However, and it's more neutral, which could be fixed with sway bars on this and such.
Yeah.
But the biggest difference is that thing is fucking tight, so tight, it's ridiculous, and that makes it, yeah, there's more edge. Like if the cars were songs and you were adjusting your equalizer, then the BMW would, like, this is lacking in the treble to high range, if that makes any sense.
Yeah. No, I get that.
And the BMW has more texture just all around.
Okay.